Welcome to our flexibility tutorial. Today, we're diving into stretches designed to boost your flexibility and overall fitness. Flexibility isn't just about bending and twisting, it's a vital part of a healthy lifestyle, especially for young people like you. As we journey through this tutorial, we'll explore targeted stretches aimed at unlocking your body's potential and enhancing your well-being. In this introduction, we'll preview the stretches we'll demonstrate. From hamstrings to hip flexors, each stretch is crafted to improve your flexibility. Whether you're an athlete, dancer, or simply want to move with ease, these stretches will support your goals. We encourage you to follow along and participate actively. Remember, consistency is key. So let's start this exciting journey toward a more flexible you. Keep in mind that these small efforts can make a big difference in your fitness journey. Ready to begin? Let's unlock your flexibility together. Let's begin with the hamstring stretch. This stretch is essential for maintaining strong, flexible legs and can significantly help prevent injuries. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend forward, reaching for your toes, keeping your knees slightly bent to avoid straining your back. Feel the stretch along the back of your legs. Hold this position for about 15 to 20 seconds, breathing deeply to enhance the stretch. Flexibility is about gradual improvement, not pushing too hard. This stretch benefits your overall leg flexibility, making daily activities and sports easier. Incorporate it into your routine, and you'll notice a positive difference in movement and posture. Keep practicing, and you'll see the benefits unfold. Next, we'll move to the quadricep stretch, vital for balancing leg strength and flexibility. Start by standing tall, keeping your back straight. Gently lift your right foot behind you, grasping your ankle with your right hand. Ensure your knees are aligned and hold the stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Feel the stretch along the front of your thigh, but remember to breathe steadily. This stretch improves flexibility and helps prevent injuries by loosening tight muscles. It's particularly useful if you're active in sports or want to enhance mobility. Now, switch to your left leg and repeat. Consistency is key, so incorporate this into your routine. Focusing on the quadriceps is a crucial step towards better leg health and performance. Ready for more? Let's continue with our next stretch, focusing on the shoulders to further enhance your flexibility journey. Now, let's work on our shoulders. A good shoulder stretch is vital for upper body flexibility. Start by standing up straight, feet shoulder width apart. Gently lift your right arm across your chest and use your left hand to support it just above the elbow. Feel the stretch along your shoulder and upper arm. Hold this position for about 15 to 20 seconds, ensuring you're breathing steadily. Now switch sides, bringing your left arm across your chest. Keep your posture upright and maintain the stretch for the same duration. Proper form is essential to avoid strain or injury. Stretching your shoulders enhances flexibility and helps relieve tension, especially if you spend long hours at a desk or on your phone. By incorporating this stretch into your routine, you're taking a significant step towards better upper body mobility. Keep following along as we move on to our next stretch, focusing on the hip flexors. This will further contribute to your overall flexibility journey. Let's continue to unlock your body's potential together. Let's focus on our hip flexors now. This stretch is crucial for mobility and helps reduce lower back pain. Begin by kneeling on your right knee, placing your left foot in front, creating a right angle with your leg. Slowly push your hips forward until you feel a gentle stretch in the hip flexor area. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, keeping your back straight and chest lifted. Remember to breathe deeply, allowing your muscles to relax and elongate. This stretch enhances hip flexibility and contributes to overall mobility, making everyday movements more fluid and comfortable. Now switch to the other side, repeating the same steps for balanced flexibility. Incorporating this stretch into your routine can improve posture and alleviate tension, especially if you spend long hours sitting. As we move forward, continue to focus on the sensations in your body, ensuring each stretch is performed safely and effectively. Up next, we'll wrap up with a powerful conclusion that keeps you motivated and ready for more. Stay tuned for the final segment, where we bring it all together with a call to action. Great job. You've taken the first steps towards better flexibility, and that's something to be proud of. The benefits of these stretches are immense, from improved range of motion to enhanced overall well-being. Flexibility is not just a physical attribute, it's a gateway to better fitness and health. Like any journey, consistency is key. Make these stretches a part of your regular routine. Whether it's starting your day with them or winding down at night, the more you practice, the greater the rewards. It's about building a habit that supports your body's needs and helps prevent injuries in the long run. Here's a little reminder. We're in this together. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the best fitness tips and routines tailored just for you. If you've enjoyed this session and want to keep progressing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with new content that will continue to guide you on your fitness journey. We're here to support and motivate you, ensuring that you never miss a chance to improve your flexibility and overall health. So, stay flexible, stay fit, and remember, every stretch brings you closer to your goals. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and we'll see you next time with more exciting fitness insights and routines. Until then, take care and keep stretching.